Chevy Camaro coupe. 2014 Chevy Camaro. So you gotta plug off the trim panel, the handle, and the mirror. Alright? Let's get it. Inside of here, gonna take that piece out of there. There's a screw inside there. T30. That's a started T30. Move that piece from right there. That piece out of there. It's number 7. It's number 7 socket. Number 7. You got 2 down here as well. 2 of them. Got one over here on the side. Then you're gonna put your screwdriver up underneath. Let it stay there. And then your clip puller. And pull it out. Pop it out. Alright guys, don't forget to put these things back, okay? There goes inside these things right here. You gotta put those back because those are the things that hold the door, the trim panel against the door. So unloose this plug right here. Go ahead and screw that piece off. There's a fillet right there on the side of it. Yeah. Unplug that. Let the trim panel hang for a while until you take off the mirror. Once you take off the mirror, then you go ahead and put the glass up, then you go ahead and cut the trim panel. I will also show you guys how to get the glass out of it. To get off this mirror, there's 3 screws inside of here. 10 millimeter nuts. Before you take out the last one, hold the mirror because you don't want to drop and break. drag it and push this piece right through the hole. That's how you do that. Now let's take out that glass. Go ahead and take off this piece. Shit is dry rock. No good. Let me show y'all. Alright guys, in order to get this glass from out of here, y'all see that screw there? Go ahead and take that screw out of there. Alright, that's one of them. That's the other one. See? It goes up and it goes down. You make sure that it comes to the hole. Alright? It's there in the hole. Right there in the hole. Go ahead and take out those two screws. And then you could get the glass from out of there. All right. Hey guys, once you guys take the screws from out of the mirror and you try to take the glass out and it won't come out, reach your hand behind here. Reach your hand by what the screw was and pull this black piece back, because see, this glass have a drive that sits inside of there. So therefore, just reach your hand in the back, pull that black piece back, and then it shall release the glass from out of there. See it? Just pull this black piece back and then pull the glass out of there. Alright guys, now the screw is out and y'all put the black piece back, put the glass out, go ahead and then take the glass out of there. Alright guys, that's how you take out the glass. Let me show you guys how to take out the handle. Now you can go ahead and get the trim panel from off of there. Alright guys, let me show you guys something. When you guys getting ready to take out this handle out of here, go ahead and move that black piece right there. There's the black rubber that goes right there. Move the black rubber from there, and that is a T20. That is a T20. You're gonna screw that piece out to the left all the way to take the handle out. But this is what I need to show you guys. That is very important. All right, it's very important. Y'all guys see that? Hold on, get some light in here. You guys see that? Come on, man. Give me 1 second. piece of shit fucking light. Alright. You guys see that yellow clip there? That yellow clip? That is the rod. The rod snaps between that clip. The rod comes off with the handle. Okay? In order to lose this clip right here, just push this piece. Pull this piece there back. But before you do that, you have to mark it. Because when you put back this rod, if you don't put it back in the right place, the door will not open, okay? So use a marker to mark it. Let me show you how to do it. You're gonna mark the rod right there. Mark it on top, okay? Mark it on top. Y'all can't see shit now. Mark it on top. Mark the rod on top, okay? Now once the rod is marked, you see the mark on top? Now, that is way better. Y'all see where I marked the rod right on top, right? Use your finger. Move one more time, throw in the garbage. You're gonna put your finger right there. Put your finger right there and snap this piece open. It's very hard, so be careful, all right? Snap it open. Sometimes they break, sometimes they don't, but go ahead and snap it open. Come here, man. All right, that's not working. Use your clip puller and snap it open. The clip puller and snap it open. See? It comes open. See that bad boy right there? It's open up and it releases the rod. That's how you do that. You need that rod to be loose. Alright? You need that rod to be loose. And once that is loose, go ahead and take out the screw and take the handle out. Now, let me show you how you guys how to do that. Okay, now that we got the rod loose, we're going to use this T20. Yeah, T20, and turn this piece to the left. Put your screwdriver behind it and take it out. Sometimes when it don't comes out right away, put some pressure on it, hold it open, and turn it and put back your tool inside there and turn it some more, and the shot comes out. Now, y'all see that the handle is not moving, right? That's because you got to push the rod back the opposite way. Now, you're going to put this thing back in there and turn it to the right. Turn it to the, see? You can see it moving. Turn it to the right and watch it move. Watch it move. Now that it's clear, hold it open. Hold it open and turn it back. The reason why you turn this thing back the opposite way, to hold the rod in the direction so that when you put back the handle, you put it in there and then you turn it back the opposite way and it sucks it in. So basically, it's left, right, left, right. Now you have to do that, see, it's still, pull it forward, push it out. Like cake, baby, all right? I'll catch you guys on the next one. Work your way, check it out, baby.